So, folks, so this is Pastor Jeff Hull from Reidsville Baptist Church, and we're going to the church fire alarm. I think that's what you heard, the sirens going down the road, everyone. I think that you heard them. This is Pastor Jeff Hull. We are on our way now. Supposed to get the trash off too.
Do that after we get back.
What I was responding to the
Union and Dover Street.
Union and Howard's Creek. There ain't no got vehicles coming. You can go.
No, that's right.
Are they still there?
Mm-hmm.
They still there? What else is supposed to be on the way?
Probably nothing. Just 64 up there.
And you said Howard's Creek. Or the brush truck somewhere.
I don't know. Looks like Rod's already in.
I'm not bothering. So we got the engine. You hear that noise back there? That's the alarm. Who else responded? You came to respond, didn't you?
Yes, sir.
What are you, a fireman?
I am.
Is this a brush truck, by the way?
Huh?
Is this a brush truck?
No, it's not. It's my truck.
So you responded to a
Commercial fire alarm at the church.
at Reidsville Baptist. That's why I'm vlogging. Who's all in the church? The doors are locked. I should have gone in here where this guy was. Wherever. Door's locked there too. Where else do we get to? What side they go in? This side? Is that alarm still going off? I guess that's all we got responding right now. It's engine 64. What's your name? Who are you?
Hey, buddy.
Who are you?
Shane.
Shane? Everybody wants to say this is Shane.
I'm sorry.
How you doing? Oh, you fine.
So we had a...
It's
We were-
it's the fire alarm. That's fine. But anyways, so the church voted that if you're an active member.
Hey, you work at Union, don't you?
Yes, sir.
I'm getting ready to get a job there.
Then you go.
Are you?
If not,
That's cool, man. That's real cool.
Then you can have one up here if you got family.
This is, what's your name? Fireman what?
They've done a competitive prize.
Fireman Totlet?
Yeah, nice to meet you, man.
Is it T... How do you spell Totlet?
Tyler.
T-Y-L-E-R.
It's
Tyler?
been hard on
Yeah.
some,
This is,
helping Susan.
the fireman, Shane.
Yeah.
Anyway.
One good handshake you got
And this is
there.
the fireman, undercover fireman, that's name is
I'm Brad.
Brad.
Yes, sir.
Fireman Brad.
Gotcha.
And so,
I thought Howard's Creek was responding here.
Well,
They were, but they got canceled because they weren't needed.
yeah. Thank you for coming up here. Well, I
Howard's
didn't
Creek
know
was-
they had 12 guys.
Howard's Creek was canceled.
Yeah, they were.
If, Jeff, you got a good insurance.
Got a good handshake there, man.
Yeah.
I like that.
So, we had...
I
See? I'm just...
I love churches.
Okay. I
You,
got
you ever did that on your phone sometime?
If she's
I
going
can't
through
say
the
that I
brick. Now,
have.
she's just, this is phase a little
well, here's the
slow.
thing.
Everybody,
don't
so we're gonna
knock
get
out.
ready now. Peace out.
I've
Say
told
what?
everybody
Peace out.
that I
Peace
know.
out, bro.
Peace out.
Yes, sir.
Peace out, man.
I've told people.
All right, folks. So that was the fire alarm responding. So that was a fire alarm we responded to. So I think we're gonna get out of here soon. We had a fire alarm respond. That's probably why you heard the noises. The sirens going down the road. probably what you heard. See, the doors are locked. So that's gonna be it, folks. So we'll see you.